about these three questions. Why? Why I should provide good quality to user? Why should I provide the good books to user? Why I should provide nice services to users? This is why. Means it is nothing but it is the objectives or mission of your library or vision of librarian. Yes. The next question is what kind of resources I have to give the users. So everyone knows that which kind of information users want. The books, periodicals, magazines, any kind of resources they want as per their need. And the third question, which is very interesting and most important, the third question is how. How to give services to my user. How to interact with my user and which kind of resources I have to give to him or her. And the answer is by using ICT. I think that's why Bhopal sir has determined this concept that modernization, computerization in modern practices in libraries. I think that's why he has decided this topic. And this is very interesting topic. And so many eminent speakers, I am not mentioning their name because everyone knows them. So everybody is telling that how ICT is useful. You know, the interesting thing I have to tell you that if one book is, the title is computer, and if you are using DDC, where it goes, it is very interesting. It goes in general area 000. Because see, the answer is ICT. It acquainted all the fields. All the fields. No one field is remained without ICT. That's why it goes to that category. You know? Otherwise it should be in 600. It is science and technology. But it is not like that. So by using ICT we should move. And again, my next slide is that only. There are so many questions will arise in your mind, and I am trying to give the answers. Next. So here various entities. Very deliberately, I have given this word. Role of librarian, the problems of human being and problems of workforce and problems of place and problems of infrastructure. So many problems are there. Yes, sir said that. Because he is facing problem. Everybody, we are facing problem. But there is solution. We are facing our problem. We are not facing Prime Minister's problem. We are facing our problems. If problem is there, solution is also there. Librarian should be versatile. Versatile in which sense? He should be good communicator. He should be well informed. He should have knowledge. Otherwise, how he would be able to give the knowledge to others? It is determined. He should have knowledge. And knowledge in which sense? All the dimensions. I am a Hindi from MA from Hindi, and I am having the literature knowledge about Kabir and Tulsidas and no, it should not like that. You should have knowledge with ICT. You should have knowledge of every day that current affairs. You should n number of entities we can say knowledge should be there. And the knowledge of ICT. If you are using this mobile, you should be able to use mobile very smoothly. The second thing, I was in users. Steve Jobs, you know Steve Jobs? Steve Jobs, now he is passed away. But Steve Jobs is the founder of Apple. Everybody knows that Apple. What is Apple? It is very tasted. The Apple product is no doubt is what number one company in mobile technology, in laptop technology. Because of Apple only we are handling this. And Steve Jobs, he says that people should be, everybody should hungry. Stay hungry, stay foolish. Stay hungry, stay foolish. It is his motto. Stay hungry in which sense? I am very hungry, I have to go to that canteen and have lunch. That kind of not hunger. Stay hungry means you should be able to take knowledge all the time, 24/7. Is it? And the next thing is stay foolish. As eminent person they are telling that we should do different things. Differently we should do things. In that sense, stay foolish. I am not saying that Steve Jobs says. So users should be hungry. They should come to you and ask you, sir, I want this book, I want this information, I want this. Very ultimately comes you will solve it. The next thing is ICT. As Inamdar sir said that ICT equipment should be very, very good. If my mobile is 2,500, not mobile, my laptop is 2,500, it is cheap. Automatically, that facilities are not available, that's why you will be not able to use the facilities. Okay? The next step. That's why, no, sir. Previous. If everybody understands their responsibility, then Dr. Learning happens 5 or next. Abstracts, information and communication technology is progressively replacing the old methods of information collection, storage and retrieval usage of information. Explosion. We know that explosion is going on. So that's why we have to use the ICT. Academic library system has been taking benefit of ICT because of internet. A student can clarify his doubts which may not be possible in the classroom. A teacher can share his knowledge with peers in the subject. A researcher can collect information on a area of study from where. As Rajnesh said that it is very, very big problem that fund is available, fund is pending there and academic libraries are not using that fund. This is available, but we are not using it. This is very ridiculous thing that fund is available and we are not using it. But like I have to appreciate Mr. Kobra sir that he has organized this conference and using these funds. Next, educational institutions readily can access the latest information available in developed countries through internet without any time delay. Internet technology has also transformed the process of publishing and distribution of information. So, I am not repeating this point because everyone is using internet. Okay? Next. Next slide only. Now, electronic publishing. Electronic publishing, apart from print media, we should use electronic form. Next. Definition, I will read only one definition, I will not take much time of you. The term electronic publishing refers more precisely to storage and retrieval of information through electronic communication media. Next. Types of e-publishing, this is interesting. Actually, we should use these kinds of e-books. I am will not explain this. Instead of print book, we should access e-books. Next. Now, electronic periodical. In the same way, e-books, electronic periodical also we can use. Next. Electronic publishing on CD-ROM, as we are using CD-ROMs and we are giving services to users. Next. Electronic databases. As get-based and journals are available electronically, we should use databases. And special libraries, they are greatly using databases. Next. Print on demand. This is new concept, little bit new concept. If a university asking about the print, you can on demand print, you can send electronically. Next. Digital content. Digital content, as Imam sir has explained a lot of things about digital library, so I will not repeat this. Next. And electric ink. It is useful for media. It is very useful for media. Actually, if you want to change color, you want to change font, that kind of like electronic ink you can use. Next. Email publishing, this is very, I should say that I must congratulate Mr. Ajay Kamble that he had changed the name MLOSC to ILOSC, and it is very famous. It is very nice, good example of ILOSC and listening. Dr. Badan Burman and Mr. Ajay Kamble. As we are eagerly waiting for Mr. Ajay Kamble, he is arrived, I think so. So this is most appreciable example of email publishing. Okay, next. Advantages, as I am not taking fiction as well as good scientific articles, we can use electronically. Quick satisfaction of user, we can cover cost saving and printing of paper, we can cover journals, research reports and newsletters are available. Dynamic or constantly changing, it should be there. Next. And conclusion, e-publishing is very important for library field and for the society. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for you also.
Thank you, sir. आता आपण जेवणासाठी लंच ब्रेक घेत आहोत.